Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD WT featured in Summit White with a black interior. Under the hood sits a 6.6 liter Duramax Diesel V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Some features include navigation, a sunroof, parking sensors, backup camera, adjustable pedals, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have heated front seats, memory seating, powered windows and mirrors. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left we have the power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left we have our lighting controls. Taking a look at the steering wheel, to the left we have our cruise control, and to the right we have our Bluetooth controls. We can go ahead and turn the vehicle on. So for our infotainment system, we have Bluetooth connection as well as navigation. Below that, we have our climate controls. Down at the bottom, as you can see, we have our adjustable pedals, parking sensors, traction control, and wipers. Two 12-volt plugins, some extra storage, two cup holders. Here is our center console. Popping that open, we have a ton of storage space in there. Up top, we have a dash cam. Just above that, two dome lights and the power sunroof controls. We can go ahead and take a look at the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have assist steps along the bottom, 2500 HD badging, black mirrors, and color matched door handles. Privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some more badging along the side, and we can open it up. Very spacious. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have power windows, speakers down at the bottom, and here are the seats. And we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle we have our rear audio controls. Just below that we have a 12-volt plug-in. And down at the bottom we have pull-out cup holders. Up top we have handles, two dome lights in the middle, matched on the other side. And in the middle here we can pull this down to reveal an armrest, as well as two cup holders. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.